Welcome to the 1X online site. Throughout the site, you'll find brand styles, usage guidelines, pattern design specifications, code snippets, process information, and much more. Let's take a quick tour. Our first stop is fundamentals. Here are brand basics like the online grid system, color, and typography. Learn how to properly use portals and stages, logos, icons and pictograms, illustrations, and voice and tone. Brad Frost's atomic design provides the foundation for 1X Online. Its core concepts, elements, components, patterns, and templates make up the next 4 sections of the site. Each section is dedicated to style and usage guidance for the individual atomic design stages. Elements combine into components. Components build into patterns. Patterns flow into templates, bringing all the atomic design stages together to create an approved, branded State Farm online experience. Our atomic design pages are organized to maximize your time. Pages feature visual examples, sketch measure documentation, usage guidelines, developer code and notes, and accessibility guidance. In our process section, you'll learn more about the 1X team and how they use collaboration to discover new, repeatable patterns and code to meet your needs. A detailed resource page is included. Here you'll find designer and developers tools, content guides and industry resources, links to State Farm groups and UX partners, and software and supported browser info. The final stop on our tour is the Updates section. Check here to stay informed about the latest events, communications, and design and code changes. And don't worry, you'll never be lost with the 1X Online's robust search functionality. Find what you need using the tool located in the upper right of every page. 1X Online ensures we connect with our customers through one brand, one voice. Now that you've seen what 1X Online has to offer, be sure to bookmark our site, download our sketch library, which is updated weekly, and join the discussion on Yammer. Well, that's our tour. Thanks for watching.